Hey everyone, welcome back to the Devices Setup channel. If you're having issues with your MyQ Smart Garage Video Keypad or just need to start fresh, then today I'm going to walk you through on how to reset MyQ Video Keypad step by step. It is quick, easy, and you don't need to be a tech genius to do it. So before we start, we would like to give a quick safety tip. Always make sure your garage door is closed and secure before resetting any smart device to avoid accidents or unauthorized access. So let's first quickly understand when to reset your MyQ Smart Garage Video Keypad. So you might want to reset your MyQ Video Keypad if you are having trouble connecting to Wi-Fi, or if you have just changed your Wi-Fi router or changed your Wi-Fi SSID or password. Or sometimes if you forgot your PIN or settings on video keypad, or if you are giving the system to a new owner. Moreover, there are two types of reset. First is soft reset, which deletes the Wi-Fi settings, and then there is a full reset, which wipes all settings and restore the keypad to factory default. Now, let's quickly understand what you will need for this reset. First of all, you will need a small pin or paper clip. Secondly, you will need a smartphone with the MyQ app installed. So we need this MyQ app so that we can reset up the video keypad again after the reset. And of course, you need your video keypad. Now let's check on how to reset MyQ Smart Garage Video Keypad. As stated earlier, we have two reset options. So first, we will do a soft reset or Wi-Fi reset. So for this reset, press and hold the reset button for around 10 or more seconds before releasing it. You will see the LED on it will become solid blue before slowly blinking blue. Now you simply need to open the MyQ app and start its setup to a new Wi-Fi network of your choice. Now let's check the second method to factory reset it to a default settings. So for this, first reset the Wi-Fi by pressing the reset button for around 10 to 15 seconds. Next, release the button. Now, once the LED is blinking blue, press and hold the reset button again for additional 10 or more seconds before releasing it. The LED will now become solid magenta before transitioning to the device boot sequence. So this is how to reset the MyQ Video Keypad. Now, the MyQ Smart Video Keypad will reboot and go into pairing mode. Next, let's learn on how to reconnect the device. Now that it is reset, so open the MyQ app on your smartphone, tap on plus icon to add a device, then select Smart Garage Video Keypad and follow the on-screen instructions to pair it with your garage system. Now make sure your Wi-Fi signal is strong and you are on 2.4 GHz network for best results. And if you have a weak Wi-Fi signal in your garage area, then we recommend you to either set up a Wi-Fi extender or mesh Wi-Fi system to ensure a stronger Wi-Fi coverage in that area for seamless performance by this video keypad. And that's it, your MyQ Smart Garage Video Keypad is now reset and ready to use like new. And if this video helped you, then kindly hit like and consider subscribing, and drop any questions if you have any in the comments below, and I'm here to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a blessed day.